Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today I decided to do a vlog to clean up my beauty space. You're gonna see in just a second. It is a huge mess. We were doing some decluttering, getting rid of some stuff, moving some items, unboxing some makeup, some skincare. I have a lot of products I want to try out, but with this mess, we're not gonna get anything done. So this evening I decided I'm gonna spend the next hour and a half. Haley's about to take a nap. Jose's putting her upstairs for a nap. I'm gonna take advantage and clean this space. I already went through the drawers. Over here is where I store most of my makeup. Let me just turn the camera around so you guys can see it. So over here, this is kind of like my makeup storage. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had like those big tall closets and I felt like they just were not useful or practical for me. I know a lot of people use them and they seem to be great, but for me personally, I wanted something a little bit more like easier to use. Anyways, I was saying that I wanted something that I can keep stuff more organized, and I didn't want something so big and spacious that was gonna make me keep makeup and skincare that I was not gonna use, because I feel like that's my problem. I am a hoarder, I keep everything, and as you can tell, it is not working out for me. So this is an easier way for me to find what I have, keep what I know I want to use, what I'm going to use, and that way I'm not storing things that I don't want. So I'm gonna start off with these dressers right here. I put up some new stuff that I just unboxed a few days ago, so I'm gonna put that away, and then we're gonna move on to this table right here. So this table I actually want to bring upstairs to our master bedroom so we can put our computer on top. Right now we have it in the living room in this really small desk, and I feel like this would be a really nice addition for my upstairs. I bought it initially for filming, but then I just used this little one I got at like Home Depot or something for 15 bucks. It's great. I can adjust the size, it's spacious, and you know, I can make good use of it. So I'm gonna bring this one upstairs, declutter it, and I have my equipment here, which goes in this closet right here. Today is actually the first week of January, so I want to plan out my month. I have a lot of content in mind. I have a few sponsor posts I'm working on. So we're just gonna get organized and start off the month on the right foot, because you know, you want to set the tone for the month. And I feel like these past few months here on this main channel, I have just been all over the place. I've been MIA. I have a lot going on in my personal life. If you watch my vlog channel, you probably already know of like what's going on with my mom and everything else. So I'm just trying to not be stressed, because I feel like for me personally, I don't know about you guys, but December was the most stressful month of the year. Aside from COVID and everything else going on, I just feel like everything literally hit me in December, like in my personal life. And I had a lot of work to do. There was a lot that I had to do and I just couldn't do because of what happened. So yeah, if you didn't watch the vlog channel, my mom was hospitalized in ICU for about 4 weeks. And it was the most difficult time I have ever gone through. And now fast forward, it's been about a month and she's doing a bit better. She's out of ICU. She's actually in my sister's house, so we're like, you know, taking care of her, making sure she's okay. And it's just a lot, you know. So I have a baby, I have work to do, I have a lot going on in my personal life, so I'm trying to balance work and my personal life. So with that being said, I think setting up a schedule for myself is really gonna be helpful for me. And that start off with having an organized house, because if your house, I was actually talking about this with my sister, I was like, if your house is a mess, your life is a mess, because nothing's, you know, nothing's where it's supposed to be. You can't focus, everything is just like a mess in your brain and in your home. So I've already cleaned out my closet. I'm actually filming a closet tour for you guys. It's gonna be up this weekend on this channel, so I'm excited for you guys to see it. I know you've been asking to see this video for a really long time, so I'm gonna get it up this weekend. Sorry, I'm out of breath. So yeah, those are the two videos that are going up on this channel this week. I am fixing my beauty room, and then I'm also doing a closet tour for you guys. I'll also link everything so you can see where everything is from. So let's go ahead and get started and clean up this space. It took me quite some time to actually go through everything because I also wanted to declutter the drawers and then all the makeup that you guys saw over on this side. And then I have a huge giveaway going on my Instagram, which I'll mention in a little bit, but I am happy to report that the room is clean. And I am so happy because this took me way too long. And now I feel like it's a workable workspace where I can come and my mind doesn't feel like it's cluttered, because I feel like if I'm in a workspace that's cluttered, I can't really function. So as you can tell, I have my setup because I've been filming a few videos for you guys. You probably saw my foundation video, which I just posted, which is the e.l.f. CC Cream one. And then I also did another one before that one. So it has been a productive month, and in 2 days is my 30th birthday, and I'm just so excited. Honestly, I feel like I was talking about this on the vlogs, but my 20s were like difficult. Like I felt like I dedicated my 20s to really working, busting my ass, hustling, working on my career. My work has not stopped at all whatsoever, but I feel like now I'm like, I have a family, I have my career, I have a home. Like it's a lot of different things, which I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to evolving. But I feel like my 20s were like really about just working and building my career and like figuring it out. And I feel like I was rushing to like to the finish line, not really realizing that I should enjoy the journey. So that's something that I'm like working towards, and I'm so happy that I'm turning in the page to a new chapter. I'm like all over the place, but I'm excited to be turning the page to a new chapter. I feel like a lot of great things are going to happen in my 30s, and I'm just really looking forward to it. So with that being said, I have nothing planned for my birthday, by the way. Quarantine life, and with everything going on, I don't feel comfortable going out. So I'm pretty much just gonna stay home with my husband and Haley and baby boy and Mackie boy, and probably just like eat something and maybe order curbside pickup to one of my favorite restaurants. And that's pretty much it. For my birthday, I really wanted to purchase something. It's not a material thing. It's something that's been on my vision board for a really long time. I will report back once it happens because I don't want to jinx it. But yeah, I am really looking forward to that. So anyways, I'm going off topic. I cleaned the room. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what I was able to do. So this is stuff that is new and I have to put away. And then that's stuff that I'm giving away to someone. This is a giveaway. I'll show that in a little bit. This is my filming setup. This is going to permanently stay there because I really like having the same background. I don't like to move it, and I'm happy with my space right now. Over here, I have miscellaneous things, and then my go-to makeup and just stuff that I use a lot for videos. So I have like my go-to foundations, my CC creams, my powders. This has to be better organized, but for now, I'm happy that it's all in one place so then I can focus on like getting it to be like actually perfect. And these organizers are from Marshall's and TJ Maxx. Every time I go, I look for them because they're high quality and they feel like the expensive ones. And then up there, I just have random stuff, my brushes. And then over here, this was like the work that I had to do the most because this is where all of my makeup is stored. And then this is like new PR that I just got in the mail yesterday. We went to pick up my mail to the mail room and we had a lot of boxes. So we took everything out of the box and we just put it in bags, and then I'll separate it once I go through it and once I plan my videos for the week. But as you can tell, I'm gonna show you an overview of like the drawers. It's not gonna be like a makeup tour or anything. It's just gonna be like cleaning my beauty room. This is my foundation concealer drawer. I purged so much and got rid of like pretty much everything and just kept things that I really love and use and really like to incorporate in my videos. I went from like, I wanna say like 100 foundations to like 15, 20, which is crazy. This is my hair drawer. I have like all of my tools, my hair products. This is a skincare drawer. This is all new products. So I like going through this whenever I'm filming or whenever I wanna use something new. This is a new product drawer as well. I have a mix of drugstore and then high-end. Over here we have some palettes. This is probably like the most organized drawer, this one. And then this one here. This is also palettes. I also went through my palettes and got rid of so many. I kept my first palettes and palettes that mean a lot to me and palettes that I know I'll be using eventually. And then this is my eyelash drawer. As you guys can tell, I love my eyelashes. This is not supposed to be there though. So we'll move this to where the brushes are. But yeah, these are some of my lashes. And then up here, I also have newer stuff and then sponsored stuff that I have to do. And then this is my filming desk. This bathroom is kind of like a studio, so I also use this for photos and then extra filming. And then this is my hair and makeup storage as well. So you can tell like I have all my sprays, my hair products. This one I haven't gotten to, but I will get to this weekend for sure. I'll probably take Friday off for my birthday, but Saturday I'll probably get back to work and organize this. I do have like extra lashes here that I'm planning to give to my sisters. I just have to like sort them out. And then I have my magnetic lashes there, which I love. I'm definitely keeping those because I've gotten such a good use out of it. But yeah, this is like a little bonus room downstairs. I don't really use it, to be honest. I mainly like to focus my time in this room, and that's why I really wanted it to be really nice and organized, and I'm so happy with it. And then over here is just the bathroom. I'm not going to show you that because I took a shower in there this morning. I actually woke up super early today because I've been having like a flare up for my UC, so I've been kind of like uncomfortable sleeping, so I've been waking up extra early and I just can't go back to sleep. So basically I'm like, you know what, I can't go back to sleep. I'm gonna get up early, go downstairs, take a shower since they won't hear me on the 3rd floor, and just make the best of my time. So I got up, I got early, I watched Friends, I had my breakfast, and I started my day pretty early. So I've actually gotten a lot done, which I'm really happy about. I just got this planner talking about like getting stuff done and being more organized. I got this planner off Amazon. It's actually really nice. It's a very simple for someone who likes to plan out their days and doesn't have like a complicated schedule. I would highly recommend this planner. I personally am not going to use it because I need something a little bit more specific with more details and a little bit more space for the days in the week. So I'm gonna go to Target and pick up the one I had for 2020, which I mean 2020 was not like
the best year to use a planner, because I mean, whose year when as planned? Definitely not mine. So Target has really great ones. I'll link the one that I'm purchasing in the description box below. Probably go tomorrow morning. But this one's great. It has, you know, a decent amount of space. So if you're going to school or you work from home, this one will be really great for you. I think I paid under like 20 bucks for it over on Amazon. So I'll also link it, and then you can like close it, which is nice. But I need something a little bit more spacious. So I'm gonna go pick up that other one at Target. Also, my cup is from Target. It's prettiest color. I really like it. But yeah, this is my clean room now. Let me mention the giveaway before I end the video because it is huge. I am so excited about this giveaway. It's going to be over on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you must follow me on Instagram to enter the giveaway. Basically, I am going to give away 4 big boxes of makeup. I'll show you what I'm giving away in a second. And then I'm also going to email a $100 gift card cash via PayPal to each winner. So I'm very excited about this. Let me turn the camera around and show you what you'll be winning. So this is all the makeup right here. There's MAC, there's Fenty, there's Jouer, there's Rare Beauty, there's Laura Mercier, there's Glow Recipe, a ton of Glow Recipe products. There's CoverGirl, Smashbox, Bobbi Brown, NARS, like a ton of high-end brands. This is insane. There are so many amazing brands in here. So I'm gonna just make 4 different boxes and add products from this bunch right here. But there's a lot of great brands. A lot of my favorite products are in here, especially Fenty. There's a lot of like Fenty sets in there and Fenty products that I like. So like I said, if you want to enter, you must check out my Instagram. But that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more cleaning videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.